fuck was that? Dude. Hello?
It's black in a very silent room, really.
I feel like if I get too close to these, I'm gonna get like a hand on my leg. Fuck. What's up?
Jesus fucking Christ, that scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, man.
Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. Friends who also love this wood. Good men are hard to find.
Bit far. Which way do you want to go?
Narnia.
Pig farm.
Something to look at. Pig farm.
Both. Pig farm.
Yeah.
Pig farm can probably go.
Pig farm still have the meat hooks?
No.
No?
See?
But
Told you.
Still has like shit.
Oh,
Still has
brilliant.
shit.
That's
Stop.
the only way to shut you the fuck
I'm not
up.
even going to see the killer coming, am I?
Why do you think I'm doing it? I'm blinding everyone so I'm the one that gets away. I have the channel.
Go knock on the door.
Someone else hold the camera then, I'll do it.
Right, so here we see Craig's death live on camera for everyone who doesn't like Assassin's Gamers. So everyone on his channel.
You lose a whole 4 subscribers.
You've seriously never actually seen this establishment before.
Trey.
Yeah. You've never actually seen this place before, Henry.
No, I've never seen it.
Oh no, yeah, this is the old guy's, look, there's all the branches here.
That isn't fucking creepy.
Hello?
Henry, if you're shitting us.
I've never.
There's also poo all over the floor.
Oh shit, yeah. Wait.
There's also, what the fuck?
What's up?
Have a look in there.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, this is the guy's little... Yeah, but what the fuck?
Why is there shit everywhere?
Is he on? What, are you thinking shit?
Oh, this is for the cows.
What?
This is for the cows. These are private woodlands. Please respect
Hang on,
this.
no, come here. Come here. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. Friends who also love this wood. Good men are hard to find.
I don't know. That looks like a fire. That looks like old fire.
Dead body. That's just logs. Yeah. Oh, just logs.
What's this then? Oh, this would be just wall wood.
This would be their...
I've never been this far.
Where's this pig farm?
Wait.
You've never been this far in before.
No.
You tell us this now.
Thanks, Henry.
Yeah, so currently we're in the currently we're in the woods in St Leonard's, to which our tour guide over there is showing us a pig farm. This is a road, so
It's the bridleway.
it's not, is it?
It is the bridleway.
Oh Christ! Who is it? You don't know. That's why.
This was private property.
Shh. Is that up that way? Yeah. See, this is why I wanted to come here at night.
Yeah, I was going to say it'd be better at night.
Nah, I hate bridleways. You have to run away from someone. You gotta get. Yeah, it's not nice.
Don't look like it.
It said also this is a public bridleway. It said it on the gate. This is a public bridleway.
Well then.
What is it? Oh, no.
It's a caravan, mate.
That's a caravan with stuff in it.
Nice caravan. What's in it?
The fuck?
What's in it? Old furniture. Window smashed in.
Which means someone's tried to get in.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get closer.
Yeah, I could tell.
Smells like cows are still here.
Yeah, they probably are. It's fine. It's also got bog gas.
What's that?
Go on.
Yep.
I'll pass the camera to you.
Nice. Old farm machinery as well. What's that? Is the electric still working?
Last unit. Electric's on.
Electrics are on?
Says it there.
Shit. Oh fuck. Don't fuck with it.
Keep going.
Electrics are on.
Asbestos.
This place is full of asbestos.
Yeah.
You got a mask, mate?
I'm alright.
You're alright, mate.
I'm fine, yeah.
Hold that a sec.
Yeah, about what I think.
Bar wire.
No, it's just
You sure you're alright?
Yeah. Been in there before. If I've got it, I've got it. Like.
Fair play.
find antique?
No, you're good.
No, you have got the open with it. Don't. Oh god, I think you dropped the camera there.
You're a bitch.
Scared the shit out of me.
You're a dick, son.
Did you bog?
Wait,
No,
what?
I said bang.
Where's your way out the other side?
I thought there was a
No,
Oh, what the fuck?
No one else is coming in with me, I'll go on my own.
Torch.
No one else coming in?
I'm coming with you.
Okay, let's go. Why is that not focusing? There we go. Well, Zach's gonna try and scare us.
Oh, careful.
What?
Careful.
I just don't like how there's no fucking noise.
I don't like how it's so...
This is sick. Okay, Henry's not coming with us. I'd put that back on if I was you.
2 seconds, yeah.
Okay.
What does this say? Something...
Shit class.
Yeah.
Guys, get further in. Henry. Further in. Play off. Come on. Who is it? We don't know. Guys, I know you can't see anything, but we just heard a car. Stay down. We can't go any further. Yeah, we can. Guys, I know you can't hear it. See anything. I know you guys can't see anything, but we had a car. Oh, bro, you scared the shit out of us. It's alright, it's alright. You exploring? Yeah. Yeah, don't worry, so are we.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Dude, you scared the shit out of us. Fuck. Zach.
Henry, what are you doing, man?
Oh, bro, you know each other. Oh, like, fuck.
Yeah.
Dude, scared the shit out of us.
We heard car doors.
Yeah, we just heard car doors. It was like, oh, fuck, we're screwed.
The offices.
Zach,
The offices. Huh?
you okay?
Fine, yeah.
Yeah, we haven't found the office. We came through the woods and up the bridle way.
Wait, there's offices?
Got in here.
I'm proving it. You know, some homeless guy living down there.
Oh, really?
Seriously?
There's meant to be.
Shit. What are you guys here for? What are you looking for?
Exploring.
What about shout?
Dude, you scared the shit out of all of us. I just saw a light, thought it was Zach.
Wait, did you guys drive here then?
Yeah, we're just
Yeah.
down there.
Oh, nice.
Jesus, fuck me. Hang on.
We thought you might have been site security or some shit.
Yeah. Well, we just got scared the shit out of. Zach,
No worries,
see you later, man. Have a good evening.
I said we're going there. I said we're going there.
Huh?
I said we're going this way.
Yeah, let's go down here.
Yeah. Shit, it's supposed to be gone, but right.
Still, might as well have a look. Jesus fucking Christ, that scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, mate.
Don't know about you guys.
No, when he shone the torch in, I was
I
like,
thought we're fucked.
Yeah, we're
But he
fine.
couldn't see us because as soon as I said, oh, hey guys, it was like, fuck. And shit.
It won't be too, mate.
You want to bet?
Oh, these are old styes.
That
Jesus
stinks.
Christ. Oh, shit.
Home. You can't.
I'll go with that. Yes, massive.
The man with the most customers here is the one walking through this test off.
He's been cleaned. That's right, that's their car.
Yeah, I know. They're obviously driving off. We're still going, there's still more.
There's no.
Oh, is there any way to get in there?
No idea, no being. I walk around the corner, there's no actual way to get into the rest of the buildings.
Let's find out.
I just.
Yeah, I know, but you didn't go all the way around. However,
We're not getting through there, mate.
want to bet? What's this then?
There's like a whole courtyard area.
Tableton, Preston, Lance, Teleheskus Bank 311.
Bang. Wait. Great.
Oh, guys, come here. Have a look at this.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, fuck this.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna see if I can climb in. Anyone
Nah,
want to hold this? No,
you're
come on,
not
hold
going
this.
in
Hold this.
Bro,
Very careful.
be fucking
Going
careful,
to.
mate. That's tetanus waiting for you.
No,
Sure it
right.
is.
The roof might fall down.
Yeah, no, I know.
I don't know where you are.
Hold that.
I got you. Careful, yeah. It seems sturdy enough, mate. You'll be good. But if you fucking hurt yourself, guys, careful. There's a massive fucking dip
also
here.
a massive hole here.
There's a dip here. If you get stabbed as soon as you get in there. Look,
Oh,
mass feed. These are the feeding
Oh,
pens.
fuck.
Craig, you're fucking mental.
Oh,
Really
what the
depressing.
fuck?
Oh shit! It's crawl space.
There's a lot of asbestos in here.
Oh shit! Is there? Big asbestos.
Dude, what the fuck? There's looks like there's photos.
Oh, fuck yeah, you're right. Oh, what? Look, if you come here, you'll be able to see.
That scared the shit out of me. Dude, I'm covered in shit.
Craig, get out of there, bro.
Yeah,
Is that actually asbestos?
I think so. Right.
I've got a camera. Careful, watch your feet, yeah. Watch your feet, watch your feet.
I know.
Fuck, man. You good?
I've been covered in absolute moss.
You're fucked.
There's
already,
got to be
mate.
somewhere else.
There has to be. I mean, look. If you look over there,
There's more shit.
there is this row of buildings here.
That
travels
though-
all the way down.
That though, what's there?
I don't know, but how the fuck are we gonna get there?
I can't see it down.
Oh look. Actually, look. If you look to your right, you might be able to get round through there. Guys, come on.
We're going to go wait by the entrance
Are
for a
you
bit.
going to the other side?
We're going
We're
to
gonna
there.
go to there.
Yeah, we're going to go wait by the entrance then.
Sure?
What? You serious?
Why?
Oh, fuck it, let's go.
Humble.
Come on.
Come on, Henry. Wait. So we're trying to get into that building there, because I don't know if you can see there, just at the bottom of the camera, above the hedge. There's equipment in there. Seeing
There's
what
a
that could
door
be.
there. If I can get through there and see if I can open that door.
Mate, that's gonna be locked. You know it.
Oh, I'm not going in there, so I don't.
Yeah, we're not going to that bit if there's
That's
asbestos,
fine,
mate.
but if I can open that door,
Bro, this whole place is asbestos.
Yeah, I'm more worried about the roof falling down on me.
the roof won't fall down. But
No, like it fell down on Ollie when we were here.
still, if
Nah,
I can open that door.
Craig, you're not going in there, bro. It's not. Don't do it.
I mean, let him do it. But
What's in that tank that you're stepping on?
What?
There's a,
It's not a tank, mate. It's a piece of wood from this.
oh shit. Alright.
But what I could do. It's actually a fence.
You never give up. You never can just give up, can you?
Yeah, it's
Told you it was locked.
But
Also, that safe they were looking for, that's gonna be taken away. Security would have emptied that.
shit. You know, find a logical way that'll get me through. I will do it.
now people know I'm here. We can't. Like, wait.
Well, no, I know. I'm not going to. That wasn't the plan for you. No.
I don't know what that hopper's for.
What do you think this is for?
I don't know what that hopper's for.
That?
Feed or
Yeah.
water, I think.
Oh, shit.
The hopper.
There's a whole other building there.
Yeah, that's the one with the roof
That's the
fell
one
on.
we tried to get in.
That's where the safe is.
Hmm.
But the roof fell on.
Right.
Still, if I can get in there, I'm going in there.
Oh, fuck's sake, Craig.
What? I came here to do a video. I'm not leaving without having videos.
Get stabbed. I'm not fucking leaving. True.
Oh,
That's been forced.
That's been
Oh, what? Nah, that.
That's been forced
Yeah,
from
but
the inside.
part of the fucking.
Careful.
That's not been forced with the inside, mate. The hinge is bending out.
Yeah,
Oh,
true.
no, actually, you're right. It's been bent from the
It's been
outside.
bent for the outside.
It's been bent open.
There's a fucking ladder there. It's been burnt down.
Dude, if anywhere's going to fall on your roof, it's going to be this place.
I know. Fuck.
What's up?
That's a bat. Oh god, move.
What's wrong with bats? Nothing.
A bat flew right by my ear, then I heard the wood creaking above me.
I thought this was going to turn into one of those horror movies. We all float down here.
We all fall down here.
Hello, little man.
Yeah, let's get a picture.
What's Bracken for?
Oh God! It jumped over your head.
Mental.
It's like frogs can jump.
Don't do that. That's evil.
Oh, okay.
Just flicked him over to the side down in stinging nettles. He's now doing.
What the fuck is that?
You guys can't see anything properly. Oh fuck me!
There's a dip there, mate.
Thank you.
We also found an adder in this place as well.
Oh, really?
An adder,
Yeah.
as in a snake.
Yeah. The poison.
Yeah, never mind. Let's go. There's no poison.
So
snakes
the
in
only
in
thing that
England.
scares you about this so far is a snake.
Yeah, nothing else is really scary at this point.
Oh, we found shotgun pellets on here.
You found shotgun pellets here.
Yeah, we should shotgun pellets down here with a badge.
You found shotgun pellets here with a fucking badge.
Yeah, it was on that wall.
Great.
There was like 3 of them. And then we found shotgun pellets like all around. What is that? What is it?
Oh, it's a frog again.
Oh, well. You scared the shit out of me then.
Someone's match there to dry.
Oh fuck.
That's a building at the end, I believe.
You guys still hearing this? I quite like a response to that.
He's being a dick. 1.5 each. LW something. 1.5 each.
See, these are all names. 439 Ludo.
Oh, they're gonna be pig
Talk
names.
about the,
They're gonna be
pig names.
yeah,
food.
pig names. Probably what they eat.
So,
Fuck.
what did you say?
What did he say?
What did you say?
Very distorted.
It's very distorted. Great.
Don't fuck with us like that. Are they still at the end?
Yep.
No.
This is Posh Boy, over.
Really? Posh boy?
Yeah, I can hear you. Assassin's Gamers. Right. So, currently, at the moment, we're at an abandoned pig farm in the middle of St. Leonard's. What we think we found probably is a squatting ground as well. We also found another building which we ended up going into before we heard car door noises, car doors getting slammed outside of us. Yeah, I'll show the clip here. We then found 2 of the guys that our tour guide's been showing us around, and he knows them, thankfully. But currently, those 2 back there, if you twist around, those 2 back there are being cowards. So we're going to carry on going forward till we get to... Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Till we get to there, because that looks like there's something around... Well, I can point it in the right direction. There. We're going to get to there. Because that looks like a brick wall. But you look at everything.
This is Posh Boy. We found a little thing, over.
What little thing was it?
His dick.
Hilarious.
Sounds about right. What?
Found your dick, over.
Funny.
What a twat.
So, as you can see, these are all old pig
I'm
sites.
surprised you found it. It was so hard to find it.
I'll just turn the cunt off. As you can see from these places, these are all old pig silos. What creeped us out for a second...
Stop doing that.
What creeped us out for a second was the fact that we could still see all these names: Ludo, Luna, and then the pounds. I think they're the pounds of how much the pigs weighed. Which is probably the obvious thing. You're all screaming at me saying stop being cunts. What are you shining the light for?
Anyway,
That's alright.
actually, I reckon when it said like 1.5, that's how much feed they have. 1.5 pounds.
Possibly. Actually, that's a good point.
But I want to know why some of these have holding cells, like these gates, and why some of them doesn't.
not holding cells.
No, as in,
Sorry.
why they have gates to make
Right,
them hold
anyways,
cells.
let's get down here really quickly and then we'll head back.
No worries.
Why the fuck are we doing this?
I don't know. It was your idea. That one's been scratched out. Oh, it's been rewritten on the beam. Oh, there's writing on the beam as well.
Oh, LW5277.
There's writing on this beam as well.
LW413555, something like that.
Yeah, but it goes all the way across. That
It's the same
is
number.
unintelligible.
See, I wish I brought my Ouija board. Come on, you would have done that with me.
Yeah, I would have, to be fair. I've never done a Ouija board before. I feel like if I get too close to these, I'm going to get like a hand on my leg.
Come here.
Oh, I'm just going to look at the side.
Yeah, you're clear.
Yeah, no, I was just saying. No, I've actually been inside ones.
What in the fuck
What? What? Craig, what?
Oh, it's just
What is it?
I saw trees with barbs coming out on top of them, and it's just a fence.
Ah, shit. You scared the fuck out of me, man.
And another silo. There's the first silo. Right. Anyway,
No worries. Right, let's go back.
let's get back. Go on. Put it like this. That was creepy as fuck.
We were right down the bottom and he thought he saw barbs coming out of trees.
What
It's
was
actually
back
like a fire fence.
What was back there? It was a fence from the looks of it.
With what in?
It was literally a cement fence with fucking iron bars sticking out the top of it, but all I saw was cement bars.
Right, so
So I thought,
reinforced concrete.
yeah, but I thought what it was graves. I shit myself.
No, to be fair, if you went back there, if you looked over the top, all you saw were these pillars. What's the one thing?
This is the creepiest one.
Oh, this is the creepiest one, is it? So
What's the
the better one? The next one's the shit one.
what was the creepy thing?
Well, this is the shit one, the creepy.
What's the next one?
That's nothing. This is nothing ridiculous.
I don't like when you say shit like that.
This is the one that the
Oh, is Craig getting nervous?
This is the roof one that the roof fell down on.
Oh, hallelujah.
So
This
is this
Wait, you
one big
bullshitted us then. That last pigsty we were at, you said that's where the roof fell down.
No,
No.
it's this one.
This one is
Right.
So this is the safest.
I can't wait to like bump into a drunk Polish guy.
Wait, so
Me fucking up Craig's video, everyone. Oh, what the fuck?
I'll do whatever I have to. That doesn't look so creepy.
That doesn't look creepy. This looks like something from fucking Slender Man.
You don't want to go in the shit because people have died from this kind of stuff.
Oh, I see.
So if
Oh yeah.
What? Wait, let me see. What shit?
Wait, they died of like diseases that came
no,
from
it's
shit.
like sand. Literally just
Quicksand.
They sank in that shit?
might be.
Thanks for letting us know, Henry.
Does anyone see a massive like twig or something?
Oh, there's a tinder block.
No, because I don't particularly want to fall in this shit.
We're not going in there, are we?
Yeah.
Fuck
Oh,
that.
I've been in there.
You guys are or not? I fucking know. Let's go.
Craig. This mask makes my face itchy.
It's black and very silent room, really.
Sure,
That's a van. I didn't realise that's a van.
that's a van?
It's an old trailer.
It's a full back.
Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck,
With
fuck
engine.
that.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Strip that down.
No, you fucking ain't.
I want to see if there's some
Some
parts
wood
in it.
here.
Mate, the parts you're gonna find are seized up fucking sparks plugs. What are you on about?
As there might be some more parts.
Got to
in it.
remember there's like 2 minutes down the road, houses.
Oh, my bad, sorry.
Same with you, Crazy boy.
What?
This
minutes down
house
the
is
road,
2
there's
minutes down the road.
houses.
Right. Craig.
Yeah?
If you die,
People drown in this stuff.
Yeah, this is kind it's not here now, but it's kind of stuff here.
Guys, I think it's
What
safe.
if they just died here and
Not
dead
here.
bodies were taken?
There was like in
Guys, this is
2000
safe. It's all dried up.
in 2006 there was a rugby player.
Come on. Honestly, I promise you, I wouldn't be walking on this if I didn't think it was safe enough.
Yeah,
And then this is all wood.
if I die, save the camera.
To be fair, I don't know if that's an opening or not.
That's a whole ass truck. What the fuck? What's up, Craig?
Nothing, just the wood here is a little bit.
Oh.
Henry, Zach, you coming?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
Yeah. This
Yeah,
is
really?
Dude, no. No.
Why, what's up? Let me see.
Guys, I'm not going in if you can't. Don't come in now.
Hey, take the camera. Get
No, you take it. You have a look. Jesus fucking me. No.
Oh, no.
No.
That's a whole storeroom. Ah, screw that.
Okay. I'm going in.
No.
People have put wood here. Yeah, no, I know. People have put wood here on purpose. That's why I'm standing on it.
Yeah, that's smart.
I'd rather.
Oh my god.
What?
Look at this, look at the interior of the truck.
Bro.
Fuck.
I wonder if the steering wheel still moves.
Nah, it's seized, mate.
No, it's seized.
It's gonna be hydro gas powered, mate. That's gonna be seized up years ago. Zach, if you
Hello?
look at the middle of the truck, you can see the catalytic converter.
Guys, this is fucking.
Oh shit. Yeah, but asbestos though, man.
I know. Bro, this is so sick. Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, okay, don't worry. Just a dick.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Actual size.
What's that?
What? Like an owl, but.
Okay, I thought I was a kid. Huh? Dude. Oh, so much muscle.
Robin is replying to X-Men.
Oh shit, he got a selfie.
Shh. Try and stay a bit quieter. What the? Why? What is it? What the fuck? What the absolute fuckery? Guys, I found our weapons if we need them. Stop.
Oh, I thought I had a map.
Yeah, no, I know, I saw. All good? Oh, it's the echo. What in the fuck? This is not an office.
I hope there's a cure for encephalitis. I hope there's a cure for encephalitis.
Hi guys, it's the electronic bit. Right, so currently we're in another part of the pig farm. I don't know what this is. It looks more like a fucking school than anything else. Currently, Henry and Zach are over that way. Trey's with me currently. I've got the radio on us just in case, but I'm quite tempted to scare them.
So am I behind it.
We go very, very quietly. Guys, did you hear? Guys, stop moving. Guys, it's pitch black in here, this is creepy. How fucking weird was that?
That was hard. Did came from there. What is that? What's behind that door?
I don't particularly want to fucking know at this point. That's because people have been smashing this place up.
I heard something behind there.
It's just rodents.
Oh, anyone need a piss? Just a normal random hangout. This looks more like a fucking insane asylum.
Huh?
The way the fucking rooms are that small, 4x4.
Yeah. What do you think it needs to be, you know? Huh? What do you think it needs to be, you know?
It's the pig house, I
Where
think.
they used to, like, what all the old guys.
Guys,
Yeah, I've probably seen it. Just old stuff.
what was that?
There's a mirror at the end.
No, that wasn't a fucking mirror.
What was it?
That was something moving past the mirror. Fuck you.
Bro, this isn't trespassing, man.
Okay. Gotta keep going forward.
Ah, careful. Hold your breath here.
Alright, fucking
Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Just watch. Move. Right.
We're going outside if we want to see the safe.
Okay, yeah,
let's go.
see the safe.
Let's get out of here before
Outside.
Let's get out of here before you'll get appendicitis.
No, we'll see the safe first. See the safe first.
Huh?
See the safe first.
No, that's why we get out of here so we can see the safe.
Why am I at the back?
Don't know. Right up in the other.
Guys, I might. If you guys go outside, I'm going might stay here on my own.
Why?
For a minute.
That's where Ollie got here.
Why?
Fucking hell.
What's through there?
No, this is where Ollie got
Yeah,
here.
but what's through there? 01235862888. Shh. Oh. Please do not disturb. Yeah, well, I'm already fucking disturbed.
Oh shit. Someone's been at it.
That's an old style safe. There's no way someone can break through that.
God, what was it?
Excuse me? Well, now I know the title of this video.
Le Memoir.
So, the memoir. Hold up. It's a, what's it called? It's a, oh, what's the word when you have a funeral?
Ad memoriam.
Memorial.
It's
Yeah,
a
it's a
eulogy.
eulogy.
Shit, that was dead.
There's something in that.
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, it's not. I hope in hell we're getting that.
Bring an angle grinder one day.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Is that the keyhole? Yeah,
least
that's the
so, yeah.
keyhole.
Here it is. No, they're fucking off without us.
That's fine.
Made in
Telford,
Telford, England.
England.
Oh shit, so that is proper old then.
Henry, Zach, me and Treg are staying here for a bit. Okay. You okay? You okay? Hey, you alright?
Yeah. Nice.
Hold this for me again. It's alright, don't worry, I'll give you 2 seconds.
No, you know that they have a legal right to, they have a legal duty to remove all asbestos from
Yeah,
police.
remember that people, when they just leave buildings, they don't particularly care about health regulations. Awesome. Alright, Assassins, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Currently, we're still in this other building. We literally just found a fucking safe.
The fuck?
Lads, was that you?
Yeah, no, they're right out there. Norris, they're right out there.
Scared the shit out of us.
Jesus.
So, currently we're in this building. We're pretty sure it's the offices for the pig farm that we've just been in twice for the 2 locations. The first location, obviously, we got the shit scared out of us. I thought there was something behind me then. We got the shit scared out of us by 2 other explorers, which I
Also,
never...
that was me throwing a chair over.
Fuck yeah, you posh boy.
Thank you. I'm turning off the radio now for a second. So, we literally just got scared the shit out of by 2 explorers. Looking for the safe that was in here. We don't know if we don't know if they found it. They probably did.
Although we went for it, it wouldn't budge. The door wouldn't budge.
Not that you could get into it, unless you literally brought like a saw.
Yeah,
Like, an
but you
electric
can't
power
be
saw.
straight. This house is like 2 minutes
Exactly.
that way.
Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm trying to do a lot more of these in the future. This is why I've also partially named it Assassin's Explorers, because I want to do more stuff like this. This is a lot cooler than what we usually do in my bedroom. So I think this is also a lot more creepier. It's a lot more decrepit than what the abandoned school was with Timothy.
Oh, those pig holding cells.
Don't.
Creepiest part.
Yeah. We're going to leave it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe if you think I'm worthy. If you didn't, just remember to drop a dislike and call me a twat in the comments, because we all know that I am.
We'll do that anyway.
But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll catch you guys on the next time. Goodbye. Now let's get the fuck out of here.
Now,